Going up for the tip-off. That ball goes straight to Kushal. Goes inside. And inside hand layup. Can't make it. Anmol Singh gets that rebound. Anmol Sharma with that rebound. Passes it off to Mandy. Mandy puts the moves on. Anmol goes inside. Ball goes off of his foot. Possession. Delhi Dribblers.
Both teams looking to get off. Too hot start. Taking good shots, taking smart shots. It all comes down to the final game for all these teams.
One thing about both these teams are they're all young teams, which means there's a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of fun to be had in this game. Rawat gets that rebound but pushed off by Mandy. Saeed Yusuf pushing the ball up, guarded closely by Kushal Singh. Waits the screen, gets that screen from Goti. And he passed the ball to Anmol, who takes that shot, but he cut that line.
Step back a little too much. Step right out of bounds.
Ars Dagger bringing the ball up for the Delhi Dribblers. Pass it off to Rawat. Rawat fakes. That ball still in his hands. Anmol Sharma knows exactly how to harass ball handlers. Goes straight at Loki. Loki passes the ball off to Piyush Meena. But the ball deflected out by Mandy. Possession. Delhi Dribblers. There's 7 seconds on that shot clock.
Both teams looking to focus more on their defense. Because defense will win you these games. It all comes down to your defense.
On to Rawat. He takes that shot. Not his range, but he makes that one. And that's how we start off this game. 3-point by number 15, Prashant Singh Rawat. Mandy on Lokendra. Waits the screen, passes it off to Syed Mohammad Yusuf. On to Saj Patel. Saj Patel. Baseline goes inside and blocked there by Piyush Meena, but Vivek Goti gets that ball. Mandy gets that rebound. Pass it off to Syed Mohammad Yusuf, who takes that shot and he makes that shot.
Both teams start off exchanging threes, 3 apiece.
8 minutes left to go in this first quarter. 5th and 6th playoff. Lokendra Singh dribble inside, finds Kushal, who finds Dagger, who takes that shot. Can't make that shot though. Loki with that rebound, pass it back to Dagger. Dagger's got left and right everywhere. Kushal Singh drives inside, pass it back to Dagger. All by himself and he makes that shot, and that's another 3-pointer. Both teams dealing only in threes. They know 3 is greater than 2. And he gets that screen, goes inside, pass it off to Vivek Goti, who takes that shot. Can't make that shot. Dagger with that rebound. Pass it off to Kushal Singh. Kushal goes inside, finds Piyush Meena, who gets that easy layup.
Great wraparound pass there by Kushal Singh to Piyush Meena. Easy finish.
Mandy brings the ball up against the full court pressure. Syed Mohammad Yusuf goes inside, finds Saj Patel, who gets blocked at the rim by Piyush Meena. Piyush Meena says, this is my area. Don't come into my area. A popular Bangalore term. Piyush Meena goes inside and takes that shot. Cannot make that shot. Disturbed by the gargantuan hands of Vivek Goti, number 77, Mumbai Titans. Mandy bringing the ball up. Puts the crossover on Lokendra. Tries to get that ball out. Mandy says, I've had enough. Vivek Goti sets that high pick and roll. Syed Yusuf can't continue. On to Loki. On to Kushal. And an easy bucket at the other end.
That's the Delhi way. That's the Delhi way. Turning their defense into offense.
Syed Mohammad Yusuf takes that easy jumper and makes that 3-pointer. Score is 10-6 in favor of the team in purple. Delhi Dribblers.
Yusuf goes 2 for 2 to start this game. Has all 6 points for the Mumbai team.
Look, he gets that screen from Piyush. Passes it off to Dagger. Dagger takes that shot. Dagger makes that shot and he gets called for that foul as well.
Both teams are shooting the ball at a very high rate to start this game.
Jeebus, are they gonna miss? Delhi dribblers shooting the lights out in the indoor Kanti Stadium.
Very different story from what we saw from the Delhi dribblers yesterday. They couldn't sink a drop in the ocean yesterday. And today they're off to a hot start.
One free throw coming up for number 0, Harsh Dagar of the Delhi dribblers to make it a 4-point play. Can't make that free throw. Saj gets that rebound. Pass it off. Mandy in the full court. That ball goes off of Loki. Possession stays with the Mumbai Titans. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 5 minutes 46 seconds on this game clock in the first quarter. Vivek Godi gets that ball. Pass it off to Mandy. Mandy takes that shot. No hesitation. Cannot make it, but he gets his rebound. Dagar deflects that ball out. Active hands in the paint and smart decisions. That's been.
I think Loki might have twisted his ankle. He seems to be hurt. He's asking for a sub. Diggy, number 12, checks in for the Delhi dribblers. Hopefully Loki's okay.
Digvijay Singh, number 12, coming in for Lokendra Singh, who seems to be walking gingerly on that ankle. We didn't see what happened, but probably he stepped on someone else's foot. That's usually how we sprain our ankles. Saj gets that ball out of him. Hey, K.
I think for a minute he forgot what sport he's playing.
Harsh Dagar, thinking this was the football stadium, kicks the ball in casually. Of course, can't blame him. The football stadium is right next door to the Kantirwa Indoor Basketball Stadium. Right, Yusuf gets that ball, goes inside, finds Mandy. Mandy fakes, puts the moves, takes that floater, no good. Kushal Singh gets that rebound. Strong rebound there by number 34. Finds Harsh Dagar, who finds Digvijay Singh. Screens all around. Dagar, no hesitation, takes that shot. Mandy takes that rebound. Mandy asking people to go to that position. Anmol Sharma gets that screen from Saj Patel, rejects it, goes inside. And that floater game, no good. But the offensive foot back is great by Anmol Sharma, number 16.
Racking up, stuffing the stat sheet. Misses, gets his own rebound, tips that in. Excellent day by the young fella. Piyush Rawat
gets that ball back again after the deflection by Mohammad Saeed. Dagar on to Rawat. Rawat fakes inside, goes inside, finds Piyush Meena, who gets that bucket easily. Up fake, one fake, two fake, basket. And they call backcourt violation there. I thought it was deflected off by the Delhi dribblers, but the ref says that's not how I saw it. Timeout called by Mohit Bhandari, coach of the Delhi dribblers. Score is 15-8 in favor of the team in purple violet, Delhi dribblers. Offensive gameplay, that's what I feel. Ball possession with the Delhi dribblers after that backcourt violation. I hope people are aware of what is happening. Kushal Singh takes that baseline jumper, can't make it. Kasir Rajan with that rebound. Pass it off to Syed Mohammad Yusuf, who puts the moves right there. On to Patel, who takes that shot, can't make that shot. They call a shooting foul on that. 2 free throws coming up for Saj Patel. His first shot attempts at the free throw line. Hits the soft part of the front rim. Hits the backboard, comes back in. That's his first points. Makes both the free throws. 6-point game. It's a 5-point game right now. 15-10. Kushal Singh passed on to Dagar. Dagar on to Prashant Singh Rawat. That free throw line jumper is good.
Beautiful effort, Prashant Rawat. Beautiful turnaround jumper.
And they go straight back into that full court press, pressing on Kasirajan, who jumps in the air and then decides to pass the ball, which not the greatest strategy. Mandeep Singh takes that shot. Mandeep Singh can't make that shot. Kushal Singh with that rebound, pushing it forward, finds Dagar. Dagar puts the move, put it back to Kasi. Back to Kushal Singh. He takes that free shot, can't make it. Vivek Goti with that rebound. Pass it out to Kasirajan. On to Saj Patel. Saj Patel, one dribble, goes inside, can't make that bucket. That is off of Piyush Meena. Possession stays with the Mumbai Titans.
I need to see Vivek Goti get some more touches here in this game. He's not been a part of this offense will too much. Mandy shoots, he misses. What a rebound. What a rebound there. Can't connect.
Saj Patel not as effective from the left side of the basket. He needs to find his range. His range is free throw line in and above the elbow. Kushal Singh goes inside, finds Digvijay, who takes that open three-pointer, cannot make it. That ball goes off behind the backboard. Score is 17-10. 2 minutes 38 seconds left in this first quarter of the 5th and 6th playoff game. Full court press there, easily broken by Kasirajan. Saj Patel gets that ball. Pass it off to Mandy. Mandy, two people, both of them left him. He takes that shot, can't make it. Rawat gets that rebound. Rawat has kept that area safe from the presence of Vivek Goti and Saj Patel.
Yusuf started this game strong. He hit 2 back-to-back threes to start this game. He hasn't seen the ball since that moment. When someone hits 2 straight threes, I think you need to get him the ball.
Delhi Dribblers faking, passing it off. That shot no good. Rebound taken there by Mandy. Mandy puts the moves on Harsh Dagar and foul called on Harsh Dagar. Could not stay up with the speed of number 4 Mumbai Titans Mandeep Singh.
Loki's back in this game. No ankle can stop him from playing this game. He wants to finish with a win. Everybody wants to finish with a win.
My man Loki is champion. Champions do not give up the game right there. Saj Patel pass it off to Vivek Goti and he gets fouled. 2 free throws coming up. Loki playing with fire right there. Those elbows are nothing to be messed with. Vivek Goti got some of the biggest elbows in the game.
Two free throws coming up for the big man.
Misses that first free throw, but I think what the strategy of Mumbai, in my opinion, is they are going to give the ball to Saj Patel and let him make the play, which is an amazing strategy in my opinion. Misses the second free throw as well. 17-7. Harsh Dagar pushing the ball up. Digvijay Singh to his right. Pass it off to Rawat. Rawat on to Piyush Meena. Piyush Meena pass it to Loki. Loki takes that shot. No good. Possession taken by Vivek Goti. Kasirajan on to Saj Patel. Saj Patel looks. 2 dribbles, 3 dribbles. And they call a foul on the floor on Piyush Meena. His first foul of the floor. His first foul in the game. 14 seconds back on the shot clock. Pass the ball to Goti. Yusuf takes that shot and he makes that shot.
The third straight three for Yusuf. He's 3 of 3 from the 3 to start this game. They need to get him the ball way more. Find the hot hand.
Digvijay Singh takes that shot. Can't make that shot, but Loki tried to tip that ball to Rawat. That ball goes off. Possession back to the Mumbai Titans, who are making a little bit of run. It's a 4-point game right now. Syed Yusuf pushing the ball in. He looks, he finds Mandy to his left. Mandy waiting for that screen. Gets that screen from Goti. Goti's got that mismatch, but you need to get him the ball. Unfortunately, they are not able to get the ball. Deflected out by Dagar. That pass has to be a second quicker because Goti had completely sealed off his defenders. Vivek Godi, number 77, using his bulk. Pass the ball to Mandy. Mandy drives, takes that weird shot and cannot make it. That ball goes off of Kasirajan.
Not a good shot here from Mandy. He's not off to a great start. Vivek Godi needs to see the ball. Vivek Godi and Yusuf need to get more touches.
Moving on to Dagar. Dagar guarded closely there. Piyush Meena gets that shot. Pass it off to Digvijay Singh. Digvijay Singh takes that open three-pointer. Can't make it. But that ball goes back to Dagar. Pass it off to Loki. Back to Dagar. Nobody in front of him. Loki. Back to Dagar. Back to Digvijay Singh. Back to Dagar, who takes that shot and he makes that shot. Back to a 7-point lead for the team in purple violet, the Delhi Dribblers. We're back with action. Hello. We're back with second quarter action here at the Sri Kantirwa Indoor Stadium. Mumbai Titans trailing by 7 points. Score is 20-13 after that first quarter. Deflected there by Dagar, who's got those active hands. He goes inside. Ball deflected by Vivek Godi. Possession stays with the Delhi Dribblers. Fine ball for Piyush Meena on to Digvijay Singh, who throws that ball out straight towards us. And man wants to get everyone involved on the floor.
Even off the floor.
Even off the floor.
Rajiv checks into the game. Diggy takes a seat for the moment.
Rajiv Kumar, number 10 for the Delhi Dribblers. Mandy looks, finds Kasirajan. He wants that high pick and roll to get into action. Vivek Godi at the elbow. Takes 2 dribbles, takes 3 dribbles, 4 dribbles. Pass it back to Mandy. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Pass it off to Yusuf, who has to hurry that shot, and that is good. My man's 4 of 4.
4 for 4. Perfect start to this game. He has 12 of the 16 points for this Mumbai Titans team.
Piyush Meena guarded closely by Saj Patel. And they call a travelling violation. He danced a little too much on that side of the court, but right in front of the referee, which is a problem.
Get the ball to Yusuf. Get the ball to my man Yusuf and let him go to work.
Kasirajan putting the moves on Dagar. Dagar's got his hands right on his hip. Saeed Yusuf goes inside and that ball beautifully given, but Saj Patel gets fouled on the floor. They call the foul on Loki. Saeed Yusuf should not be passing the ball. This man is a shot maker. He should just be shooting.
I'd love to see another 3 here from Yusuf.
Pass the ball to Goti. Goti too big inside, and he shows Rawat that you can teach people post moves, but you cannot teach them height.
That's exactly what I've been talking about. Get Goti the ball under the basket and just start running back on defense. You know he's going to make that. He's not going to miss those.
My man's too big to be denied. On to Loki, on to Dagar, who's free for days. Cannot make that free throw. Mandy gets that rebound. Pushing it forward. It's a... Rajiv Kumar goes inside and can... Oh my God, beautiful off the backboard layup there. Mandeep Singh right over the outstretched arms of Piyush Meena. All he could do was contest it, but Mandy too skilled near that basket. Rajiv Kumar takes that shot and he makes that shot.
He's a shooter. He's a knockdown shooter. You don't want to give him an inch of space. He'll let it fly. 23-20 for the Delhi Dribblers.
Kasirajan putting the moves. Can't get that. Piyush Meena gets that rebound. Boxes out expertly against Vivek Goti. Loki pushing the ball up. Finds Prashant Rawat, who comes out. Back to Loki. Back to Rajiv Kumar. That ball goes off.
Not the greatest pass I've seen from Rajiv Kumar. Little too low on that one.
Mandy bringing the ball up against the semi-full court press. Kasirajan against Loki. Pass the ball to Saj Patel. Saj Patel, my main playmaker right there. Said Yusuf, shot maker, goes inside. That floater game, no good. Aryan gets that rebound, but Saj Patel gets that ball back. On to Said Yusuf. Said Yusuf fakes, finds Mandy. Mandy takes that shot and he makes that shot.
Here come the Mumbai Titans. They're shooting the ball lights out to start this first half.
If Mohammad Saeed doesn't kill you, it will be Mandy, one of those two. They are on a mission. Aryan passes the ball. Loki goes inside, floater game, no good. That ball goes off and stays with the Delhi Dribblers on this side of the court.
Yusuf and Mandy, the splash bros of this team, they're letting it fly. They ain't afraid. That's what we like to see.
It could be the yellow jersey, but it could also be their great shooting form. Dagar takes that shot and Dagar makes that shot and he says, if you are Splash Brothers, I am an adopted Splash Brother. Playing on the other side. Harsh Dagar, he's got 12 points in this game right now. Kasirajan drops his dribble, passes it off to Saj Patel. Saj Patel, that's not his place. He should be inside, running place. Find the ball, Yusuf. Yusuf on to Goti, who gets fouled going up. 2 free throws coming up.
Yusuf making all the right plays, playing such an unselfish game. I love what I'm seeing here from Yusuf to start this first half.
Loki coming out of the game, Gaurav Chandel. Bunny with the hops, number 7. Getting into the game. He'll get his reps in. First free throw good by Vivek Goti. That man just gets better as the game progresses, which is a sign of a great player.
He's perfect from the line. This trip down the lane.
Second free throw also good. Score is 26-25 in favor of the Delhi Dribblers, the team in violet purple. That shot not great. Mandy goes inside, but he locks him inside, gets that ball into the basket. 2+1. One free throw coming up for Mandeep Singh. He put Dagar in that spin and weight room. It's a double room. 2 for 1.
What a move there by Mandy. What a move. And left Dagar in the dust. Had to foul him. Chance to complete the 3-point play right here.
You know just by the spin on that basketball that was good. (26-28) Mumbai Titans get the lead. 2-point lead. We've still got a lot of time in this game. 5 minutes 50 seconds left in this first half. Digvijay. We've got Jaideep running point right now. Gaurav Chandel finds Jaideep. Jaideep takes that shot. Can't make that shot. Rebound of course taken. Rajiv passes it off to Jaideep. Jaideep goes, finds no one. He takes that shot and he makes that shot, and that's a 2-pointer. Long 2-pointer there by Jaideep. Long 2-pointers give people a lot of confidence in their muscle memory. Mandeep putting the moves on his Indian Navy teammate. That ball taken away. Saj Patel passes back to Mandy. Mandy guarded by Gaurav. And a little miscommunication there.
Timeout called by the Mumbai Titans coach. He's not happy. A little too much standing around, not moving off the ball. We need to see some off-ball movement from this Mumbai Titans team. JD to bring the ball up. The game tied at 28 apiece.
Jaideep Rathod on to Gaurav Chandel. Gaurav takes that 2 dribbles, passes it off to Piyush Meena. Piyush Meena 2 dribbles. Oh my god, he pushed him away completely. Can't finish that play though.
That was a big boy move.
Kasirajan guarded there. Gaurav Chandel completely all over Mandy, who escapes. takes that shot but gets fouled. 2 free throws coming up for number 4 Mandy. Number 4 Mandy and number 7 Gaurav play for Indian Navy. They know each other's moves and they are taking this as a person challenge. I will not let you score, my friend. That is what you want. Competitive basketball is the best to watch.
Mandy, pure on that first free throw.
Breaks the tie 29-28 in favor of the team in yellow, the Mumbai Titans. Pass the ball to Gaurav. Gaurav takes that screen from Aryan, takes that shot, no hesitation, makes that shot, no hesitation, right in the face of Saeed Yusuf, and he goes straight back on defense. Saeed Yusuf on to Mandy. Mandy had that head start. They call the second foul on Gaurav, who is aghast at that decision. And that's 2 more free throws for Mumbai Titans.
That's a very smart play by Mandy. And I literally saw the coach tell him to do that to get the foul. He did exactly that. And he gets himself 2 more free throws. Pure on the first.
One more free throw coming up for number 4, Mandeep Singh. Urf Mandy makes that second one as well. Piyush Meena gets a breather. Prashant Singh Rawat comes in to shore up that defensive rebounding and the offense. Jaydeep Rathod pushing the ball up. He finds Gaurav Chandel. Finds Jaydeep Rathod once again. Jaydeep goes inside, loses the ball, and he calls a kick ball foul there. Kick ball violation on Jaydeep. Vivek Goti goes down. He's still down. I think maybe an ankle twist.
He took an awkward fall. Hopefully he's okay. We'll find out in just a minute. I think he's alright. So he's going to the bench. He's going to get that checked. As long as he's walking it off, so you know it's not that bad. Still hope he feels better soon.
Number 21, Parth Sharma coming in place of number 77, Vivek Goti. He's got some big boots to fill, literally and figuratively. There is a lot of offensive rebounding chances and defensive rebounding abilities right here. Saj Patel passes the ball to Saeed Yusuf, who takes that shot.
Definitely looked like a goal 10 from here.
It looked like a clear goal 10, but the players were not even saying anything, so maybe we are just too good at noticing these things. At the other end, Rajiv Kumar hits his second 3-pointer of the game.
We got shooter in the house.
Yasir Rajan passes back to Yusuf. Yusuf takes that screen from Bath. Goes inside. Can't get that bucket, but fouled. 2 free throws coming up for number 6, Saeed Mohammad Yusuf, who went in with the intent to score or get fouled. No fear in this man.
The Splash Bros on this Mumbai Titans squad are responsible for the 24 of the 32 points they've put up on the board.
First free throw, good by Saeed Mohammad Yusuf. Second free throw, just as good. The score is tied at 34 all. 3 minutes 13 seconds left in this second quarter of basketball. Jaydeep Rathod finds Gaurav. Prashant Singh Rawat fakes, goes inside, fakes, up fakes. Finds Jaydeep Rathod, who takes that shot. That shot is no good, but Aryan with that rebound. Can't get that bucket. All ball, and he is down for the count. Mandy passed the ball on to Parth Sharma. Great weighted pass there, and no good. Prashant Singh Rawat gets called for that foul. 2 free throws coming up for number 21 Parth Sharma, who went in strong and came out with the foul.
Rawat not happy with the call. Thought he got all ball. Parth Sharma earns himself a trip to the free throw line. We have Piyush Meena checking in for Rawat. I'm assuming it's because of foul trouble. It's 3 fouls. Lands a spot on the bench. He's a big part of this Delhi team.
Parth Sharma, no mistakes on that first free throw. Breaks the tie once again. This game has not had a constant lead since it's began. Jaideep Rathore pushing the ball up. Finds Rajiv. Finds Gaurav Chandel. Takes that shot and he makes that shot. This is Bunny with the hops. He can shoot threes any time of the day. And you got to deal with that. Once again guarding his teammate. Pass the ball on. Asirajan passes it off beautifully to Sahaj Patel. Sahaj Patel. Man, these names. Jaideep Rathore goes inside and gets fouled. Number 6. He passes the ball straight to Kasirajan, who was not expecting that pass. Syed Yusuf goes inside and the left-handed magician move there.
What a finish. What
a finish at the basket. I thought he would have struggles with that because he was running in too fast and too acute. But he said, let me show you some tricks. Syed Yusuf. Gaurav once again takes that shot. Long arching shot. Can't make it. Parth Sharma with that rebound. Pass the ball to Syed Yusuf, who takes that shot and cannot make that shot. Gaurav Chandel, Bunny with the hops, bring the ball out. Pass it to Dagar. Dagar finds Gaurav once again. He gets that screen from Aryan, but rejects it, passes it off. On to Aryan. Aryan takes 2 dribbles, takes that shot, makes that shot. They called a foul away from the play.
Not a continuation. That's a side throw. He got fouled before the gather. The referee sees something we didn't, so we gotta respect that.
Well, sometimes we have seen things the referees haven't. So it's even game. Piyush Meena takes that shot. Absolutely no good. Syed Yusuf, there's 57 seconds left. He goes straight at the defense. Mandy passes it out to Sahaj Patel. Mandy takes that screen. Waiting for some magic bomb. The magician Syed Yusuf goes inside, and that is a beautiful basket. My God. This man needs only 5 centimeters of space. It has been scientifically proven to get that shot off.
He's up to 18 first half points. Yusuf putting on a show. I'm a big fan of this guy, man. Yusuf. Look at that block by Mandy. My God. Mumbai Titans are all over the Delhi dribblers at the moment.
Less than 20 seconds in this first half. He takes that shot and makes that shot just as well. Use the finger roll right there. 10 seconds left in this first half of basketball. Score is 37-42. Dagar looking for the foul. No good. 3 seconds there. Can he make this shot? Oh!
Buzzer beater. He pulled up from Curry range. Steph Curry who? Steph Curry who?
Let's play. Dagar bringing the ball up. Finds Gaurav Chandel. Gaurav Chandel guarded by Mandy. Finds Piyush Meena. Piyush Meena finds Rawat, but that pass Not the smartest of passes. You can't pass when there's so many people right there. And Saeed Mohammad Yusuf gets called for that cutting the line.
Both teams start the second half with a turnover apiece. 37-45 for the Mumbai Titans. The Splash Bros, Mandeep and Yusuf are going off this game.
Take that shot and that ball goes off of Vivek Goti. Stays here with the Delhi Dribblers. If you remember, they started off the game with 3 pointers each, and now they started off the second half with a turnover each. Prashant Singh Rawat finds Gaurav Chandel, finds Dagar, waits for that screen. Gaurav finds Dagar once again, finds Rawat. Rawat fakes, goes inside, and a beautiful bucket there.
Splits the defenders. Easy finish with the two. Great footwork by Prashant Singh Rawat.
That fake has to be respected because he is money from that free throw line jumper. Mandy finds Saj Patel controlling, finds. But you cannot throw that soft lob in front of Piyush Meena. That man will go up and get it anywhere. Fouled on the floor by Saeed Mohammad Yusuf, number 6. The torch. They find Dagar once again. Dagar finds Rawat. Rawat finds Rajiv. He takes that shot and he makes that shot. Makes it look easy.
Beautiful ball movement right there by the Delhi Dribblers. Playing through the high post. Excellent ball movement.
Third three-pointer for Rajiv Kumar. Pass the ball on to Mandy. Mandy takes that jumper and easily makes that one. He was surprised at how free he was inside that paint. Dagar bringing the ball up, finds Rajiv. Back to Dagar, back to Gaurav, back to Dagar. Takes that shot in rhythm, can't make it though. Kasi Rajan uses his body, shields it, finds Mandy. And that bucket is beautiful. He just spun inside off the backboard.
Mandy leading all scorers in this game. He's up to 21 points.
Kamat Diyar, Kamat the Mandy. Gaurav Chandel goes inside and that foul called on number 8 Saj Patel, who swiped at the ball. But Gaurav knows how to protect the ball with his hands while going up for a layup. Second foul on the Mumbai Titans in this quarter. Piyush Meena, easy automatic jumper there from the baseline. Gaurav knew exactly how to set up his big man. Find the ball for Goti. Goti finds Mandy. Mandy drives left, drives right, deflected by Dagar. He flies past them, can't get the bucket, but gets the foul on Prashant Singh Rawat. 2 free throws coming up. That's the 4th foul on Rawat. This is not great news for him. 5th foul is the last foul. I think coach will probably take him out. Rishabh Mathur comes on in. Number 23. He's there for silky smooth jumpers and disruptive defense.
Mandy's confidence is sky high right now. You can see he just wants to take the ball to the bucket.
He just wants to score and score easy. Dagar bringing the ball up, goes up against that zone defense. Gaurav Chandel gets that ball, putting the moves, finds Dagar once again, takes that screen from Meena. Gaurav goes inside, free throw line jumper, and it is not good. But Piyush Meena gets that rebound. But Mandy takes it away from him. Gaurav goes inside fearlessly, finds Piyush Meena, who takes a little bit too much time to think about what to do, and that ball goes straight to the audience. Score is 44-51 favor of the Mumbai Titans. Delhi dribblers need stops and they need it as soon as possible. Kasiraj dribbling all around the court. Saeed Mohammad Yusuf gets fouled on the baseline drive by Rishabh Mathur, who should know that the baseline is the fifth defender. You just got to guide him towards the outside. You got to put your foot on that line. Make sure they can't jump over it.
All the young kids watching, you heard Ashwin. That's some great advice. The baseline, the fifth defender, Gaurav, going to the rim, gets fouled. Smart foul there by Yusuf, making him earn his points at the free throw line.
Another important lesson by Saeed Mohammad Yusuf right there. You cannot give up easy baskets. You got to make them earn it. Even if he sinks those 2 free throws, that's 2 shots that he's taking. There is always a chance of one of them missing.
Also, if you ever foul someone, make sure you foul them hard enough that they can't go up with the bucket. Because the last thing you want to do is be giving up and ones. Gaurav, pure with the first free throw.
The third foul on Saeed Mohammad Yusuf. He got to protect those fouls. He's too valuable on the offensive end. Second free throw, no good. And I know who is smiling. Number 6, Saeed Mohammad Yusuf. His gamble has paid off. Vivek Goti, oh my God. That man just went inside there, laid it softly off the board. Gives that smile off to Mandy, saying, I don't know how it happened, but it happened and I want 2 points.
That might be the first time I've seen Vivek Goti go up on one leg. He's usually a 2-4 jumper.
2-1-2 break right there. Saeed Mohammad Yusuf goes inside, can't get that bucket, and no call as well. The referees have different ideas in their mind. Bunny gets fouled on the other end by number 99 Kasi. Mumbai still arguing about that previous call. Number 10 Rajiv comes out and Kushal Singh, number 34, back in. 2 free throws coming up for Gaurav Chandel. First free throw is beautiful. Second free throw, no good, but a lane violation called on the Mumbai Titans. One more free throw for Gaurav Chandel. Bunny with them hops. Doesn't make a mistake on the second free throw. Kasi bring the ball up, pass it to Mandy. Mandy running the point right now. Pass it out to Saj Patel. Saj Patel on to the big man. Big man finds little man Saeed Yusuf, who takes that shot. Cannot make that shot. But Kasi gets that rebound. And they call a line cut on number 99. Possession goes back to the Delhi dribblers, who are slowly but surely making their way back up. 47-53.
Dagar directing traffic. Here's Kushal playing through the high post again.
Soft touch there by Rishabh, but he cannot finish that basket. His idea was good to get some rhythm in. You can't just be standing there without being involved in the game. Finds Yusuf, finds Kasi. Kasi goes inside, fakes it, gets that bucket in. He's told Rishabh Mathur, fly buddy, fly.
That's straight experience out there. Calm and composed, no rush. Kasi, the most experienced player on this team, alongside Vivek Goti. Beautiful, beautiful jumper right there by Rishabh Mathur. Turn and fade and make the basket.
According to stats, Rishabh Mathur plays better without that Goti, but I don't think he got those stats. And he gets that deflection right there. Gaurav going inside. 1-2, and they call a foul on Saj Patel. 2 free throws coming up for Gaurav Bunny Chandel, who has absolutely lit up the offense coming off of the bench. It's a 6-point game right now. A chance for Delhi Dribblers to make it a 4-point game.
Gaurav misses the first free throw. He's been splitting. This might be a third straight time he's missed 1 of 2 free throws. He needs to start sticking these if they want to have any chance of coming back into this game. Splits a pair of free throws yet again.
Leonard bringing the ball up, passes it back to Mandy. On to Saeed Mohammad Yusuf, Torchman. Go, my God. Okay, all right. Lil Kawhi-esque, but that ball goes off.
We could have been Game 7 of that Eastern Conference semi-final. Kawhi-esque. That was a great reference right there, Ashwin.
Saj Patel passes it back to Kasi. Kasi looks, finds Mandy. Mandy, no hesitation, takes that shot, cannot make that shot. And that rebound taken again by Kasi. Saj Patel making it not so sahaj for them to get that defensive rebound. Saeed Mohammad Yusuf goes inside in amongst the trees. Piyush Meena gets that rebound. And they can finally go at the other end and try to reduce this 5-point deficit. Dagar takes that shot. That was a difficult shot, but he gets it. Rishabh can't corral the rebound.
Great hands there by Yusuf. Getting the deflection. 5-point game right here.
Kasi finds Yusuf. Yusuf finds Kasi. Takes that corner three-pointer. You gotta have a hand in his face. Kushal Singh gets that rebound. Pass it off to Gaurav. Gaurav back to Kushal Singh. Kushal Singh back to Gaurav. On to Dagar. On to Rishabh Mathur, who takes that forced shot. Coach asking him, son, why you took that shot? And another example of Dagar forgetting what court he's on. Uses his legs. They're playing hot potato with that ball. And there Goti gets that ball. Strong to the post. My God, he put Piyush Meena in that weight room. He said, you need some more weight. You cannot stop me this way. Drop step. Boom, boom. Shakalaka. 2 points and the free throw coming up.
It was a big boy move. Aryan checking into this game because of what Vivek Goti just did. He needs a bigger body to stop him down in the low post. He's a handful to deal with, no matter how big, how strong, who you are. This is a strong, strong dude right here.
He makes that free throw and tells them that not only am I strong, I am also skilled. To be honest, I don't think number 36 Aryan can hold off either. But let's see. Pass the ball to Gaurav. Gaurav takes 2 dribbles. Takes that shot and makes that shot. Rishabh Mathur, he makes 1 mistake and then makes a great move at the other end. That is what he's been doing right now. Pass it off to Kasi. Pass it back to Saeed Mohammad Yusuf. On to Saj Patel. Yusuf takes that shot. Oh, he cannot make that shot. Possession back to the Delhi Dribblers, who are 6 points down. 52-58.
Yusuf is yet to score here in this second half. 18 first half points. Hasn't scored yet here. Dagar looking to operate.
I pass it to Gaurav. Gaurav drives baseline. And that shot no good. Rebound taken by Vivek Goti. On to Kasi, who makes that long pass to Mandy. Mandy on to Saj Patel. Great no-look pass. My God, he looked north and passed south.
What a beautiful catch there by Mandy. Setting up his teammate with the easy bucket. 8-point game again.
That foul on number 99 Kasi. Called the blocking foul on Kushal. Kushal way too fast for Kasi to stay with.
Kasi is such an experienced player. It's great that he comes in this game, leads his team, super calm, super composed. And Rishabh Mathur makes his way to the bench. We have Rajiv Kumar entering this game again.
And they are over the foul limit. 2 free throws coming up till the end of this third quarter. 1 minute 46 seconds of bonus time for the Delhi Dribblers. Makes that first free throw, Kushal. Second free throw also just as good. Kasi pushing the ball up. I think they're calling the horns play. Let's find out what the horns play is. Is the horns play pass to Mandy? That is their every play. Ooh. And there is Sahaj, he'll be disappointed. He usually finishes those kind of shots near the basket. Kushal once again pushing the ball up. Goes inside strong and almost gets that bucket, but comes up hobbling.
Sahaj with a big miss on the other end. Comes and fouls Kushal on this end. That was a point blank layup that he missed.
2 free throws coming up for number 34, Kushal Singh. Coach can't take Kushal out because he's got to make those free throws. First free throw, no good. Second free throw, beautiful. And Kushal makes his way out. Piyush Meena comes in. It's now the tall boy, long boy lineup for the Delhi Dribblers. They need to feed those players in the post. As he finds the ball for Vivek Goti once again, proving that he's too strong. That
Excellent.
high post, low post.
Excellent ball movement right there. Vivek Goti picking on the Delhi bigs one by one. That high low to post low action always works to perfection to break any zone on this planet.
When you've got a willing passer like Sahaj, all you need to do is just wait, position yourself well, box out your people, get that ball and lay it up easily, which Vivek Goti is more than capable of doing. Pass ball on to Dagar. Dagar looks, wants to find Aryan. He finds Aryan. Aryan takes that shot. No good right there. Saj Patel gets that rebound. Aryan needs a little bit more confidence to shoot that shot. He has to shoot it with confidence. You can see when someone is shooting with confidence. Look at that. That is what is shooting with confidence.
25 points for Mandy. Missed the fourth quarter. Has 25 in the first 3 quarters. The fourth quarter is yet to come, and that's his quarter, like he has shown all season long.
Offense not going anywhere for the Delhi Dribblers, who have to resort to contested shots. Mumbai Titans increasing their lead to 10 points right now. Less than 25 seconds left in this third quarter of basketball. As he finds the ball to Said Yusuf. Said Yusuf dribbles inside, goes inside, can't find the ball. He wanted to fight Vivek Goti for that easy layup. Rajiv Kumar goes inside, finds Piyush Meena out, finds Aryan, takes that shot, cannot make that shot. And there is Rajiv Kumar with that buzzer beater to end the third quarter. 57-65. The other team gets the 6th position.
Final game for both these teams. The final quarter for these teams today, they got to finish strong. I thought he was going to shoot that one.
Ably guarded there. Mandy. Floater game by Yusuf, no good. Aryan gets that rebound, pushing it forward. It's a 3-on-2 run. A beautiful run. He went right at the body of Kasi and told him, if you want to jump, you are free to. As he finding Sahaj finds Mandy. Mandy guarded there ably. Back to Kasi. Back to Mandy. Mandy takes that shot. No hesitation. And he makes that shot.
Here comes Mr. Fourth Quarter. This is his time to shine. Mr. Fourth Quarter starts off the fourth quarter with a 3. Up to 28 points.
He looks like he's on mission. I did tell you he was serious when he shaved off his beard. That's the kind of clarity that you need. He lets him fly by, takes that shot and he makes that shot.
What a start by both teams here in this fourth quarter. Exchanging a 3 each, just like the first quarter.
One of the coldest flyby I've seen. He just let him go and oh my god, Mandy takes that shot again. Cannot make that shot. But the ball on to Goti, who takes that shot, makes that shot. He scores 3s only one way. 2s plus 1.
I think that's his third or fourth straight and 1. These bigs on Delhi have no answer for Vivek Goti. The strong bull inside. Beautiful soft touch around the rim. And he's sinking his free throws too. The lead was 4. It's back up to 8. Potentially can go up to 9 with this make. Vivek Godi just does that. Puts them up by 9 points here in the fourth quarter.
And you have to remember, he missed his first 2 free throws. And after that, he has just been getting 2+1s all over. Delhi's got their work cut out for them. Let's see if they run a play for Rajiv Kumar or they run any play at all. Dagar goes inside, takes that contested jumper, makes it. That'll keep the defense honest. Mandy goes inside, puts the moves at the perimeter on Dagar, on to Kasi. Mandy gets that shot to Sahaj. Sahaj passes back to Kasi. Kasi back to Mandy. Mandy fakes, goes inside, and another basket right there. He is fearless.
This ball movement here by the Mumbai Titans is exceptional right now. Mr. Fourth Quarter has 5 points in the first 2 minutes and is up to 30 points in this ball game. Mumbai Titans with yet another steal. Great hands there by Rajiv. Definitely stopped an easy 2 on the other end. Mr. Fourth Quarter is going off. He's going off. I think he's going for a 40 ball game. Up to 33 points with 7.5 minutes left here in this fourth and final quarter.
I am stunned. This man has no fear and no idea of what this even means. Oh, faked, but foul called on Saj Patel. 2 free throws coming up for number 7, Gaurav Bunny Chandel. Gaurav faked out. Goti at the free throw line, went inside and got fouled by Saj Patel. First free throw, no good. This is not the time to be missing free throws. You got to make them right now. Fourth quarter, it's a 12-point game right now. Lane violation there by number 15, Prashant Rawat. Kasi bringing the ball up, finds Saj. Saj finds Kasi once again. Mandy. You got to be scared about Mandy right now. Pass the ball, great pick and roll move there. And one more there for Vivek Goti. 2+1. He could be the highest 3-point scorer in this league right now. Man just makes 2+1s all over the game.
The big three for the Mumbai Titans. Mandy with 33, Vivek Goti with 17 and Yusuf with 18 points. These 3 guys are going off in this final game. Well, Yusuf did say at halftime they're going to win this game at any cost, no matter what. And he's living up to the talk. He's talking, he's living it up.
Can't finish that 3-point play, but it's a 14-point game for Mumbai right now. Delhi needs to get some instant offense right now. They need their own Rajiv Kumar. I mean, another Rajiv Kumar. Kasi brings the ball up. Finds Sahaj. Who finds Syed Yusuf, who takes that shot and he makes that shot. He's saying, let me join the 3-party.
They're having fun now. The Mumbai Titans are having fun. 17-point game. Just like it was a 6-point game about 3 minutes ago. And these guys are just going absolutely nuts right now. Yusuf Syed with 21. My God. What a display here.
And that ball stolen there, fouled by Harsh Dagar. And Mumbai can feel their victory coming through. It's a 17-point game right now, 6 minutes left. But if you look at the momentum, it almost feels like it's a 17-point lead, 6 minutes left in this fourth quarter of the game. Back to Mandy. Mandy takes that shot, can't make that shot there, but he gets his rebound and he puts it back in. What is he not going to do? He is going for the 40-point game. I am sure of it right now. Good call on that, Dhruv.
I think this might be the highest scoring game of the league, of the season so far. Yusuf Syed comes up with a steal. Easy 2. It's a 21-point game. I think the Delhi Dribblers, I don't see them coming back from this one.
Even screens not working for the Delhi dribblers. Prashant Singh Rawat goes inside, takes that shot, can't make it. That ball goes off of Aryan. Possession, Mumbai Titans.
Rajveer Singh Bhati checking in this game for Gaurav. He's also a high flyer. He's a shooter. Really good at jumping abilities. Great athlete, Rajveer Singh Bhati.
Mandy fakes left, goes right. Pass the ball off. Takes that screen from Saj. Saj drives inside. And a lob pass there to Goti, who finally misses the shot, but he gets his own rebound and another basket there. Unstoppable in that post.
What a fourth quarter here by the Mumbai Titans. An avalanche of points.
Threes, twos, free throws, limiting turnovers. What have they not done right? They pass the ball to Aryan. Aryan on to Rawat. Rawat steps back. Goes inside Diggy. That shot no good. Aryan gets that rebound. And that's a shot clock violation. That ball did not hit the rim. 23-point game in this 5th-6th playoff match. And a beautiful run there by Saeed Mohammad Yusuf. On to Mandy. Mandy measuring up his defense, goes inside. Pass it off to Goti. Goti goes inside. 2 dribbles, pass it off. Saj Patel on to Saeed Yusuf, who takes that shot and he makes that shot at the buzzer. He just threw it up.
That's the kind of day the Mumbai Titans have been having. The Splash Bros are up to 35 and 26 points apiece. What a game here from this Mumbai Titans team. Amazing basketball. Vivek Goti 19, Yusuf with 26, Mandy with 35. My God, these guys are going off.
Vivek Goti gets the ball in an unusual position at the half court. He's like, I was not ready for this. Saeed Yusuf takes that screen, goes inside, but does not finish it. Pass it off to Mandy. Mandy putting the moves, and they call a carry on that.
Mandy wants to that 40 piece. He wants to score that 40 points. He has 5 more to go. I'd love to see the first 40-point game here of this INBL league.
Pass the ball on to Digvijay. Digvijay takes, dribbles, finds Rajveer, who lets Mandy fly by, takes that shot, cannot make that shot, but Rishabh Mathur with that rebound. Digvijay fakes, finds Rajveer once again, takes that shot and makes that shot. No mistakes on the second time. Timeout taken by the Mumbai Titans, who do not want to see any more of this. 2 minutes 59 seconds left in this fourth quarter. Saeed Yusuf bringing the ball in, finds Kasi. Kasi, no hesitation. He has seen every kind of defense there is to see in Indian basketball. Delhi dribblers, whatever, even if they don't win the game, they did not want a 40 piece to be laid on them. That's the kind of defense they're playing. They say, Mandy, you can score 40 on someone else, not on us. That was their final give foul. They will now be in the penalty for the final 2 minutes 43 seconds of this game. Kasi bringing the ball up. Fouled once again and free throws this time for number 99, Kasi.
Kasi with the chance to get his total up to 4 points. Lead off the squad, makes the first. 21-point game. Potentially go up 22 with this free throw.
The only thing left to see is whether Mumbai Titans can get to the 100-point mark. Rishabh Mathur gets that rebound, pushes it on to Digvijay. Digvijay looks left, looks right. Takes 2 dribbles, finds Rishabh Mathur, who gets fouled, but that is in. 2+1 for number 23 of the Delhi Dribblers, Rishabh Mathur. And he converts that 3-point play. 2.5 minutes left in this fourth and final quarter of the 5-6 playoff match. Mandy takes that ball, keeps that dribble. 2+1. 2+1. They give him the continuation. That is points number 36 and 37 for him, and a chance to make it 38.
This is absolutely the highest scorer, highest point total by an individual player in the first season. And that, and Mandy sits there all by himself at the top.
A little bit of basketball gods retribution here. Can't get that free throw to go. He's at 37. And they call a traveling violation. My man moved a little bit too fast. Kasi gets that ball in, guarded by Gaurav Chandel. 1 minute 59 seconds left in this game. Pass the ball on to Mandy. There is only one question right now, maybe two questions. Mandy gets that ball but deflected out. Pass the ball on to Rajveer. Rajveer to Gaurav. Gaurav back to Rajveer. Rajveer, no hesitation. He
Second straight
around
travel.
a little bit too much, and that is a violation.
I think even the Mumbai Titans are trying to get Mandy to score his 40 points because they're trying to get to him every single possession. I need to see the bucket go in from him.
1 minute 33 seconds left in this game. Pass the ball on to Mandy. And he takes that screen, goes inside, passes it back to Kasi. On to Saj Patel, back to Mandy. Mandy takes that shot, can't make that shot. And a great, easy bucket there. Pass the ball on to Saj. Gaurav finds Rajveer. Rajveer takes that shot, can't make that shot. 53 seconds left in this game. There's 11 seconds on the shot clock. Not sure exactly what the plan is. In the pass, find Mandy who takes that shot. Out of rhythm. 31 seconds left in this game. Find Aryan who takes that mid-range jumper and swishes it. 19 seconds on that game clock. Shot clock has been turned off. And with that, Mumbai Titans get to the 5th position in this INBL season, inaugural INBL League, INBL Finals. 5th position at the end for them. Mumbai Titans. Hell of a game.
Amazing display by both teams throughout this season. A huge shout out